Spring is in the air, grass is growing, spring showers bring May flowers, and well, we're not quite there yet, but soon enough. Here in Michigan, we go through 10 seasons between winter, spring, winter, spring, fall. Um, but yeah, what I want to show you today is a whole bunch of different flowers. There's a ton of them out there, and instead of making a video for each one particular, I'm just going to do you know, this video is going to have about three of the more basic ones that are very easy to do, look good, but again, can be used in a lot of different colors, directions, and especially as people are making preparations for Easter baskets and, well, just spring in general, it's a good time to bring out some of the fun ones. So, let me show you first of all this little one. Now, this one is very simple. It's probably one of the easiest of them all, and it's just a whole bunch of fold twists. Now, you can make it with five hubs, six. I usually like five, but I'll show you what six looks like. So there's five, and there's six. It's just a little fuller, okay? And all you really need with this one, besides the basic there, I like, let's see here, a little color in the middle. I'm just wrapping that around to get it a little tight there. You can see how that looks. And let's add the stem. Now there's a few different ways you can do stems. For this one here, I'm just going to wrap it in to the middle and give you a few ideas. You can just leave it like that. You can pull it down, or you can do a little ear twist on the back to send it down. Okay, see? Now, I also like putting leaves on mine, but you can do different stems different ways. Some people just go like that, give it a little whimsy, especially if you have a whole bunch of them standing tall. Some people will do big fold twists for the stem, for the leaves. Very easy. I like adding a little bit of variety to it, just my style. I'll do a little ear twist. And what I'll do is I'll do a short bubble and then a long bubble. And I'll do that one more time. Same thing, short, then long. And what that does, it gives me that look. Gives me more of a leaf look. Can add another one if I want to, give it a little whimsy here. And that's a pretty simple flower. There's also what's called it's been a long time. Man, I don't even remember the name of it, but let me show you what it looks like. It gives you the same effect, but it can be easier for some, and for some people, it can be very frustrating. So let me show you what it looks like. So for this one, you're really going to want it nice and soft. So let's bring out the massage method. My favorite, especially on a long day of balloon twisting. Okay, make it nice and soft, nice and long. I'm going to then also roll the knot to give it a little extra length. And I'm going to tie the nozzle and the tail together. Okay, I'm now going to find the end. I'm going to just rotate the balloon just enough to get that split point. Then I'm going to fold it into thirds. Okay? So where those fold parts are, I'm going to twist. All right? So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I bring them all together, there we go. Looks similar, huh? Yep. Again, personal preference. This is the way that pretty much people did it when I first started. And now I see more people doing it this way, where it's a single bubble, one at a time. Really personal preference. This is great if you have a whole bunch of balloons pre-blown up. They're a little softer. This is good, in my opinion, when you're doing it at that moment. So that's one balloon design. Let me show you another one now. So this one is actually very similar, but it's just going to change the dimensions a little bit. So we're going to do one grouping of 3 balloons short. Okay. I'm now going to take a different color. And instead of doing another 3 short, I'm going to do some longer. Okay. So now what we can also do, tear that part off. If we get these all nice and even, okay, see how that looks? We now can do something a little more to it. We can actually roll all these to get a split in it. And take a 160. We'll go red here. Oh, let's go orange. I got one right here. And hopefully this one won't break. Oh, here. Better yet, this one looks like it's a little stronger. Okay. And we are going to just connect all those gaps together by either closing in like this, or I like bubbles. And let's fix that real quick. There we go. And we're back to the races. Okay. So get that back so we can twist it again. There we go. And we're going to make a whole bunch of little bubbles. Let's see, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 looks good. I'm going to take the tail, wrap it around. And we're going to do another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And connect that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And wrap that in there. Put a little color in the middle. And there we go. Flower there. All right. Let me show you this one here using some 160s. Oh, let's use this blue. So this one, it's going to be similar to how we do the leaf. So where we had a long bubble and a short bubble. But in the middle of it, we're going to add just a single ear twist. Got that in there a little better. There we go. So we're going to have something like that. Okay. And we're going to do a few of these. And what you're going to see is it actually kind of cups upward, especially if you're doing a bouquet and you want some different dimensions to your flowers and how they look and kind of the amount of space that they fill. This will be a nice addition. We're just going to do 5 on this one. And I'm going to actually split twist all of these. You don't need to, but again, I like all those little points of contact that kind of disperse the light. To me, it just gives it a little bit more finished look. But the way you do it might be completely different, and that is fine. Nice thing about balloons is it's very easy to be personal with. What works for me might not work for you, and that is okay. And there we go. Okay, so that's another one. Now we can also do taller flowers. So let's do purple, pink, and do I have a white 160 here? Yes, I do. Perfect. So we're going to stack some colors here. We're going to start off with our purple. And what we're going to do here is we're going to just do clusters of 4 full twists. So let's start off this one with about that size. Okay. Sorry. Okay. There's one. Now we're going to do another one, that same color, a little smaller. Ah, pardon me. Ah, there we go. All right. And I'm just going to kind of put them the other direction. So where we have one, we're going to put the next. Going to rip that off. Go pink. And we're going to do it again a little smaller. And I think you get the idea. Every layer is just getting a little smaller, almost like a Christmas tree. In fact, if you do this in all green, it wouldn't make a bad Christmas tree. But I would just stack all the colors on top of each other instead of varying the direction. So let's see here. So now, again, one more cluster here of 4. And we're then going to rip this off. It's such a rip off. And go to our white. And, oh, pardon me. Okay, at this point, we're going to go to 3. And this last one here, we're going to make these pretty small. It's almost going to be like ear twist more than full twist. And then just a little bit on top. Pardon me. followed by split twist to hold it all together. And there we go. Give you a little idea of what it would look like on a stem. Very nice. So that's a couple different flowers. I hope you like them. We also have some more flowers in our playlist for flowers. And really, the cool thing about flowers is there's so many different colors, different shapes, and combos that really the imagination is the limit. Um, I've been doing moods for 30 years, and I just saw recently at a convention people came up with what they thought was a new flower. So it's something that just have fun with. Until next time, keep on creating, have fun, and keep on twisting. And just remember, a smile is free, a thank you only takes a moment, but an encouraging word at the right time can change a life forever. And if you like this and this kind of content, please like, subscribe. It really does help out a channel like this to get the word out so we can keep doing this for hopefully a very, very long time. If you got any ideas, let me know. But yeah, hit that notification and more videos will be coming. So have a great day, all. Adios.